We are going to cover how to do some adjustment sheets. Okay, so on the today's topic we are going to see how to adjust row and column size, grid, formula bar, heading, insert a new sheet, copy a sheet, delete a sheet, hide and show the sheet, select all sheets what are the available in the sheet. Okay, rename sheet and color sheet. Color the the this name tab, right? Color that one. Okay, so in the first, adjusting the row and column, say for example let me open one new sheet. Okay, and we wanted to adjust the size, right? So this way we can just put on here and we can click on this. Okay, or else we can right click on that, and if you see there is a column width, we can put the column width whatever based on our choice. We can type here, this another way, or is just select this column and put that column width. Okay, if you click on that, again you can enter it and the same changes will be applied. So this is the how we can adjust the width of our any of this column, and we can select actually multiple cell, and we wanted to have a column width, so I'll just type column width, and here if I'll click here as a 25, if you observe all the columns width has been changed to the same size. And the similar way we can keep have selected as right click on that and click on column width, and we can put the column width, and the column width will be get adjusted. Again right click 12 and it will be changed to the 12. Now the similar way we can adjust also the height of rows. We can just click on this and we can just scroll how much we wanted, right? So based on that we can do. Another method is there, we can select that and right click on this, we will get column height, click on column height and put as whatever the column height you want. If I click on this, if you observe the column height has been adjusted accordingly. Another way we can do, the third method is click on column row height and enter the value whatever we want to 16, just click on that, and the column with row height will be adjusted accordingly. So hope you have understand how to adjust a column row and column size. Another way is that if some text is written there and if double click on this, here double click, it be automatically adjust to the its size. That grid line are another one option. Like if you see these lines are there small lines are there. Okay, these are the lines are there, this called grid line. Actually these are not borders, it will be just appear for the for our understanding purpose, like hey, this is the one range, this is the one cell. So if we don't want that one, so we can go and we can remove it. Just click on the uncheck the grid line. So if you observe that it become very plain. But if you have any border applied, say for example I am applying some border here, clicking on border apply, I just click here. If you observe in these lines are there. Okay, so there is a difference between grid line. It is just for our understanding purpose, like it should be like this is the cell, right, where we are, and it will be shown that, and we can arrange our column width and right, we can arrange those things. But here if grid line is there and we have to click on this, you see it is getting, now it is not there. Okay, then formula bar. So this called formula bar where we have, okay, if we are naming bar, right, this type, if we want to hide that one, what we can do is just go to the view and we have to be selected somewhere. click on view and uncheck that formula bar. So if you observe, the formula bar got disappeared here. If similar way, if I click again, it will become. So this is the way we can hide and show the formula bars. If you in Excel it is not available, so you can very well go to the view tab and click on the formula bar, it will be available. By default it will be there, but in case someone has unchecked this one, so you can correct that one. The next one is headings. So these are the headings, A, B, C, D, these are the all are headings, right? This one, that A, B, C, D, and the similar way 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are the also headings. Now if you don't want see the heading, okay, just click on that and headings will be disappear. Again once we click on that, it will be come here. So as of now I am clicking grade, formula and heading. So hope you understand all these three. Now how we can insert a new sheet. Say for example, I have one sheet. Whenever we open any blank our new brand new workbook, by default as of now it is coming 1, but previous version of Excel it was coming as a 3 sheets by default, and we can add it and we can remove based on our need. But as of now in the newer version of Microsoft Excel, it is only 1 sheet available by default. And if I want to say for example I want to add some new sheet, how we can do that? We have one plus button here. We can click on this and a new sheet will be get inserted. Wherever our cursor is there, whenever we are clicking the new sheet, after right it will be get added. After that, if I have selected 3 sheet 1, if you observe, if I click on plus 1, the between sheet 1 and sheet 3, if it will be get inserted. So whatever the cell, if I have selected this sheet, if I click here new sheet, if you observe, the after the sheet 5 got inserted just right after the whatever the correct sheet. So if I want to insert in here, I have to keep selected here and click on this, and one sheet will be get inserted. So this is the way we can insert a sheet. Another one method is there. We can right click on this, and if you observe, we have the one option called sheet insert, and then it will ask for what you want to insert. So again I will show you. It will be similar way. So I have selected here, say for example I am right clicking on that. If you see, here is one option called insert. Click on this and we will be seeing that what you want to insert. A lot of things are there, we will discuss in these things, but as of now sheet, I want to enter sheet, just click on this and it will get inserted. So hope you understand how to insert a sheets, right? Now copy sheet. So similar way how we have done the insert sheet, same place we will be having copy sheet. Say for example I have some data written here. Let me get some data if I have something. Okay, so for example let's copy this one. I copy here. Okay, I have on one sheet I have one data available. Now I want this data to be whatever the formatting, what are all the information whatever on the sheet, I want in the another sheet. So that way we can copy sheet. Right click on this, move or copy, click on that and click on the copy. If you as soon as you hit OK, if you observe, then sheet 1 and in bracket 2 has been mentioned, which means it is a copy of sheet 1. We can rename it if you want, but as of now I have moved, and there is a few more options are available. So if I am wanted to copy, okay, so it will ask where you want to move to end or in between, right? Whatever the cell we selected before that, it will be get inserted. So I am putting on the now as a move to next, like move to end, and here we can see there is some option where you can copy the cell and get pasted in brand new workbook, or any open already whatever the Excel you have open. As of now I have the tutorial points we have open, so we can click on that and that sheet will get inserted over there. And if we click on the book 9, right, whatever the cell currently we having, it will get copy itself. So I will show you here new workbook. If you, I'll ask create copy, and if you click hit OK, if you observe book 10 got created, and copy of say sheet 1, right, that sheet got copied, and it is like it has created a brand new sheet, right. So this is how we can create a copy. Hope you have understand it. Let me again explain you. So if I'm copying and clicking new book, one workbook, one file will, Excel file will get created, and that sheet will be attached to it. It will be there. Any Excel file, next one is if any Excel file is there already open, and if I'll hit on the like this one, right, book 10 we have as of now open. If I click move to in, if you observe, another sheet will be get created, and it has been like it is got copied, right. Then yeah, so this one new one will be created, and any existing files, if it is open, it will be listed here. We can go, and here if want to, this dialog box is same for move or copy. So sometime we wanted that one sheet to be moved to the another file, or create a new file, that time we can say move. So whatever the source we have open, right, as of now, if any sheet is on the open on the source, it will create like move from the that sheet to this sheet. I will show you. And create copy means that it will not move, it will get created. So as of now I have open I have opened book. Okay, I have sheet 1. I rename, okay, sheet A, any name we can give actually. So see, okay, 3 sheets I having as of now. I'll go with a move. Okay, so sheet A, as of now I am going to move to new sheet. Okay, and I'm not hitting on the create a new. As of now we can see there's a 3 sheets available on the book 9, 1 2 3, right, A B C, 3 sheets are there. What I'm doing, I am going to move it. I clicking OK, and if you see book 11 got created, a new brand new work file got created with sheet name A. Okay, that's fine. If you observe here, the sheet A has been moved, it has created totally removed from this sheet book 9, that source one, and it has been created on the new workbook. Whereas if I'll go again, I'll click on this and click on this. Okay, this time I will use book 11 and create a copy. So once I click OK, if you observe in book 11 B sheet got added, but B is also here. So this is the difference between copy and move. So if something I want to copy, just little bit we have to be careful about, while we should not be moving. If I wanted copy, just make sure I am clicking on the copy, or else it will get moved to the new sheet. Okay, the next one is delete cell. So delete sheets. If any particular time, if you found that like one sheet is got created extra, so in this case if you observe, I have 2 sheets with the same data, I don't want to do anything, right, it is extra for me. So what we have to do, we have to delete. Click delete, and I'll show you again. Right click on the sheet and click on the delete. It will ask Microsoft Excel will permanently delete this file sheet, and you would want to continue. Do you want to continue? So yes, click OK, and the sheet will get deleted. Okay, so next topic is hide and show the sheet. Okay, sometime we might require, like I have opened some more files are there. Okay, and I don't want to see that file, or I am going to present that as to someone, but at that point I don't want to show that sheets. Okay, so let me create some sheet here. I'll creating a copy, or else we can create here like new sheets, some sheets, random sheets are we have created. I'll put name A. Same name will not take. If I hit B, it will give error. Like say for example same name, if I enter C again, it will not take. That name is already taken. Try a different use. So I'll use D. Okay. So another way to move, just click on that seat and drag it. It will be get adjusted here. So as of now, say for example I don't want to see seat D, right? So what we can do, we can select that seat, right click on that, we have a hide button here, just click on that, the seat will get highlighted. Then again some more hide, we can do that. So this is the how we can hide a seat that will be not visible, but it will be present there. Now if I click on unhide, I want to see that. I click on unhide. What are the seat you have unhided? It will be reflected. Which one you want to unhide? I click on D. So D seat, you can see that. Again, if I want to hide, unhide the seat C as well, so I can click on seat C and it will be visible. So this is the way we can use hide and show seats. Okay. Then select all. Select all seats are like some, what are the cells I having, what are the seats I having, I need to select them. So if I have 10 or 20 seats, right, it will be very hard to the click one, right? I have to keep pressing control key and keep on pressing. Okay, so it take time, right? If I have one more seat, it will be problem for us. So what we can do is we can select any seat, no, doesn't matter. But here we have option is select all seat. If I click, if you observe that all seat got selected, and what are the operations we wanted to perform, we can very well perform. So this is the we have select all. Next, rename seat. We have already seen that if I am creating any seat, it will by default will be seat 1, seat 2, seat 3 like that. It will go on. It will go on. It will keep on going. So what we can do is we can click on the seat and click on hit on rename, and based on our need we can put. But while doing a naming of the seat, we have to make sure that the same name cannot be repeated. So that one we have to keep in mind. Now another color seat, color like is actually tab color. So these are the tabs, right? These are the one tabs, right? Sometime what I prefer, say for example I have 7 or 8 seals are available. Okay, some having critical data which user need attention, right? Some having like already work is completed, or monthly invoice I have kept, and one invoice I have been reviewing, right? So there is like just one beautification, there won't be any kind of value impact on the seat. It is a totally option whether you like wanted to do or not. But sometime if I want to segregate any cell in the different color, so we can do, the tab will get changed. So if you see the tab color got changed to green, click on that tab color, and whatever the color you wanted to do, you can give, right? So something yet to work, just I'll complete. Something need to attention, we can put on this different color. So hope you have understand how to color the seats. Okay, and that's all about this video. If you have any clarification or any doubt, just put it on comment, we will get back to you.